Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel, Modish Style. First of all, thanks all of you to visiting my channel, and I hope so you will be fine. Firstly, I humble request all of you, if you are new in here, then please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, because I need your love and also need your support. So please supporting me. Now let's see what for have today. Actually today I will share with you most beautiful, unique and stylish mother of bride hairstyles. Some are open hairstyle and some are new and unique flower buns hairstyle. So in this video we added some one-sided bun hairstyle and some are middle bun hairstyle. I hope so this video is helpful for you, because it's a hairstyle change your look and change your face look at. So try this hairstyle and enjoy my video now. If it is helpful for you, so please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Take care.